Next we have one miscellaneous model where if three unequal numbers p, q, r are in harmonic progression and their squares are in arithmetic progression, and what would be the ratio of the numbers? Okay, when there are three numbers which are unequal and they are in harmonic progression, let us take p comma q comma r or the three unequal numbers are in they are in harmonic progression whose squares are in arithmetic progression. Squares in arithmetic progression. Employees. Here I can take q is equals to 2pr by p plus r and 2q square is equals to p square plus r square. From this I can take q by 2 is equals to pr by p plus r. Let us take this is equal to say some t, and this 2q square is equals to p square plus r square can be written as p plus r whole square minus 2pr from the special products. So therefore here q by 2 is equal to t, so q can be taken as qt as one relation, and here pr can be taken as t into p plus r as another relation, where which we can substitute 2q square is equal to p plus r square minus 2pr. So taking consider these two, will get it as, here you put q is equals to 2t and pr is equal to t into p plus r in 2q square is equals to p plus r square minus 2pr. Then I'll get it as, this is 2 into here 2t whole square is equals to p plus r square minus, for pr I'll substitute t into p plus r for this pr. This is step substituted. Implies this is 8t square is equals to p plus r square minus 2 into p plus r into t. Finally, this I can write it as p plus r square minus 2 into p plus r into t minus 8t square equal to 0. This is quadratic in p plus r. When it is quadratic in p plus r, let us find out the value of p plus r is equals to minus 2t plus or minus root of b square 40 square plus 4ac 4 to the this is plus 32t square by 2 into 1 implies p plus r is equals to 2t plus or minus 6t by, because 32 plus 4 36 root over 36 t square is 60 into 2, therefore we'll get p plus r is equals to 6. 8t by 2 is 4t, or minus 6 minus 2 minus 40 is minus 2t. Now which value will be considered here, whether 4t or minus 2t? Let us consider this p plus r square minus p minus r square is equal to 4pr. It is a equality from special product in terms of pqr. If these values are taken, like if in this you put p plus r is equals to 4t and pr is equals to t into p plus r, which is equal to t into p plus r is 4t, that is equal to 4t square. If these values of 4t square and 4t are substituted, then it is 4t whole square minus p minus r square is equal to 4 into pr is 4t square. Therefore it is 16t square minus p minus r square is equals to 16t square. That implies p minus r must be equal to 0, where p equal to r is contradiction to the given data, because given data is p and q are unequal numbers. Your assumption is also same. Therefore certainly p plus r should not be is equal to 4t. So only the option left with this one is p plus r must be is equal to minus 2t. So p plus r must be equal to minus 2t. So therefore p plus r must be equal to minus 2t. Then pr must be equal to t into minus 2t, that equal to minus 2t square. So finally what we can get it is p plus r square minus p minus r square is equals to 4pr, where that is p plus r is equals to 4t square minus p minus r square is equal to minus 8t square. Therefore p minus r square is equals to 12t square. Thereby I'll get p minus r value is plus or minus 2 root 3t or minus 2 root 3t. So we have p minus r value, already p plus r value we had got, that is minus 2t. Using them I can get p plus r and p minus r. P plus r is minus 2t. If I take p minus r as 2 root 3t, then 2p is equals to minus 2t plus 2 root 3t. Thereby p is equal to minus of t into 1 minus root 3. And when I take p plus r as minus 2t and p minus r as minus 2 root 3t, then 2p is equals to minus 2t minus 2 root 3t, then p will be equal to minus of t into 1 plus root 3. So p values are got. From this I can find out r value. Now here q is equals to 2t, q is equals to 2t, fixed value. Then r value will be, when p is equals to minus 2t square by 2, then r value you are going to get it as minus t into 1 plus root 3, and here r value is minus t into 1 minus root 3. So these are the set of values where you can take the ratio. So that is p is to q is to r can become minus 1 minus root 3 is to 2 is to minus 1 plus root 3, or minus 1 plus root 3 is to 2 is to minus 1 minus root 3. Finally we can write it combinedly as, so if you take negative common, this will become 1 plus root 3 is to minus 2 is to 1 minus root 3. So option D is going to be the correct option for this question.